Hello and welcome to my another video. This video is going to be all about how you can start your online business very easily. My name is Shubham Bapna. I'm the founder of Superstart Ventures, author of Unleash Your Business Online. Now, I'm going to tell you 3 easy ways in which how you can start your online business, and this can be done in the next 5 minutes. That's right. In the next 5 minutes, I'll be showing you how you can start your online business, how you can use it to display your products and share it with your friends, increase your sales, and do so much more. Let's dive right in and understand how we can do that. Okay, so now on your screen, you can see a platform which is called Online Dukaan app. Now, Online Dukaan is a very powerful platform, and here you can start selling your products, your services, your digital downloads, subscriptions, and so much more. This is really powerful because what happens is when you are running your business, you need to collect your payments, you need to collect subscriptions based on different kinds of business models. If you're running something which is recurring, then you need subscription business model. If you're running a business which sells services where there is no physical product or a physical delivery of a product, then it is called a service-based industry or a digital download or subscription type of model. And where you have some physical products, let's say for AirPods, if I'm selling AirPods, then I have to sell the product which is a physical product. I need inventory, I need to store that product somewhere, or I can do either drop shipping business or something like that. But for that, I need delivery, logistics, and other platform, other requirements which are needed for such particular product. Now, where should I start selling? Which platform I should be using, and how easy it is to use, and all the other things. I'll be explaining everything, so stay right until the end because this is going to transform the way you think about online business, and especially in India. So, number one key point to understand here is that a platform is very important where you start selling your products, your services, your digital downloads, or anything that you're selling. So now we're talking about the Online Dukaan app. Online Dukaan is what you really understand from the name, Online Dukaan, taking your shop from offline to online. So Dukaan means for store. Now as we scroll down, we see how it is easy to really apply this to your business and understand how you can do that. Now, when I'm searching for a good platform, what I really need to know is that does it support my web-based application? That is, can I operate it from my desktop? That should be number one checklist. Second important point should be that can I use it from anywhere, anytime? Yes, that should be very important. The platform should load up very fast. It should not get slowed down due to a lot of traffic or some server issues. So those things should be right priority for you. It should be safe. It should have all the particular payment gateways that your customer will be looking for. And if you're in India and running your store, then you need to have an all-in-one platform which can do everything for you right from your particular website. So here what I'm going to tell you about Online Dukaan app is that it supports selling on your website. You can start selling on your website, you can start selling on Instagram, Facebook, Amazon, eBay, and so much more. So uploading your products and managing from one particular platform and selling it everywhere, that's called smartness. That's really important for you because nowadays we have very short time, and in that short time we need to do a lot of different things. And one of the thing is running an online business. You might have an offline store, but let's say if you're having an online store, then you need to put your products on all those platforms. So if there is one single platform which can manage all of that, then I think it's a great deal. It's a bonus. It saves so much of time, money, energy. You need to hire very less people because it is super easy to use. Now, when I scroll down, I understand that I can start adding my products on this website. That is, you get your own domain. You can use your own domain or a subdomain of Online Dukaan app and start uploading your products. We will understand everything in detail, but for now, let's just get an overview of what Online Dukaan really is. You can start for free. That is, you can have a free Dukaan right here within minutes. And if you find it really amazing, if you find it useful for your business, it helps you solve your problems, then definitely you should go for upgrade. And the paid options are definitely there, but that is your choice. But anyways, you can start for free and start uploading your products, create your catalog, and start sharing it with a lot of different people out there. You can sell via multi-channels. That's something that I've already discussed. There is also a WordPress plugin, and if you have a WordPress website, you can use that plugin. You can upload your products via that plugin directly and embed the whole website on your WordPress website. So basically, having your online Dukaan platform on your WordPress website, that is also possible with this particular platform. So, Shopify or My Dukaan, Bikai, and such other platforms are really not up to that mark where you can start selling on any particular platform. So this is a very powerful platform. Online Dukaan app supports payment methods from so many different sources. You can collect payments from, basically from any possible currency out there. You can also connect it from Bitcoins, Ethereum, or many other coins which are supported with the help of our secured payment gateways. So you see how easy it is to use Online Dukaan app when you can start selling from India to the whole world and collect in terms of any particular currency. When you take a look inside, you get so much to see. You have the dashboard over here. Let me mark it and let me highlight it. It should be somewhere here, right? Okay. So you get your dashboard. You get the sales option where you see the products, your categories. You can have gift cards. You can enable or disable the products without even deleting them. So that is also really very, very helpful. You can do your marketing from here. You can actually run your Facebook ads and your Google ads right from the dashboard. Isn't that amazing? You don't need to go on to, Facebook Business Manager or Google Ads, the campaign page. You can directly manage it from here. So it's that powerful. Everything inbuilt. You have a CRM inbuilt. There are custom emails which can go to your customers when they abandon their carts and so much more. So as you can see, you get so much of clarity, so much of configuration which can happen when you're launching your business right here. So now going ahead, you can start selling on your e-commerce website, or you can have your own website if you don't have one. You can start selling digital products, services, modify your stores with pre-inbuilt themes. This is very important. You don't need to actually design your theme or hire a web developer to do that. We have the themes inbuilt, ready-made for you. This will help you save time. This will help you get started within minutes, and you have your own website, e-commerce platform where you're selling your products, your services anywhere in India or abroad. You just have to share the link and everything gets done. People start ordering, you start increasing your sales, have so much of confidence in your business. We also have WhatsApp notifications inbuilt, so when anyone orders on this platform, that is on your website, then they get notifications on WhatsApp from our official WhatsApp number, and this way you can monitor your clients, you can monitor the messages which your clients have been receiving, and you can also modify them and do so much more. So basically, this is the only platform that you would ever need. We also have an affiliate platform, affiliate management system, where you can earn by promoting our products. That is, you can start promoting our online Dukaan platform and earn a commission out of it. Some affiliates are also earning, okay, sorry, wrong one. Some affiliates are also earning up to rupees 5,000 rupees for every qualified sale. So you see, you have a lot of potential in making sure that if you're an affiliate, you can really get started and earn good amount of money when you bring in, you know, good qualified sales. Now let me bring this. Okay, now see, I'll show you some pricing features. So online Dukaan comes in three particular. I don't know why this is being weird, because I'm recording the whole screen, so that's something which is there. Okay, never mind. Now we head towards the pricing part. We have three plans. Number one plan is called the starter plan. The second plan for businesses ready to scale, it's called the scale plan. And the businesses which want to take the maximum advantage have their own white labeled application for Play Store and iOS Store. Then you can go for the grand plan. The prices start at 999 per month for the basic plan, 2499 for the scale plan, and 4999 for the highest plan. And if you go for the annual plans, then definitely there is a good discount. You get 2 months free on all the plans, all the paid plans, if you go for the annual payment method. Now, if you're really serious about your business and you want to grow it, you want to make sure that your business really gets the importance that it needs, the right kind of platform for your products, for your whole business, then you need to have something which is very powerful, which is running on a huge, structure, which is very strong. If you start selling on a WordPress website, then WooCommerce may or may not be really easy to use, or you might need to buy a higher server. So now here you don't have to maintain all of that. You don't need to worry about your hosting. You don't have to worry about your, the development of your e-commerce platform. If you go for a Magento platform or something different, then you have to pay your developer. You have to design it. Here, everything is ready-made. There's plug and play. It hardly takes 5 to 6 minutes to set up everything and get started. We have tutorials and so much more. So basically, all you need to do is visit the website onlinedukaan.app, or the website that I'll be putting in the description below, and start using this platform. You can also have your free store right for you, built for your business, and make sure that you get started today, because today is a very good day and every day is a very good beginning for your particular online business that you have been always dreaming for, but you were worried to start because there was some resistance, you were scared, and you had a feeling that I don't want to spend upfront. Let me try something for free, and this is the best way to try something for free and go for this particular platform. This is something which is very close to my heart because I love helping e-commerce entrepreneurs grow their business, where they can start selling their products, their business can grow, and there's so much more that can happen. You can become financially independent, you can start selling your skill sets and reach out to the whole audience out there. And in case you feel any difficulties when you log on to our platform, then there is this little chat box right here on the right hand side corner. You can ask that chat box so many different things. It will help you out from our whole database of questions and answers. So feel free to check out my website. The link is in the description below. I'm so glad and so happy that you are here and you can start your online business, your online dukaan today, and start selling anywhere, anytime. See you soon. Stay tuned. My name is Shubham Bapna, founder of Superstart Ventures and also the founder of Online Dukaan app. Thank you.